What's up, y'all? Alvin here, and today I'm going to show you everything I got in my YETI GoBox, aka my tackle box. And yeah, I'm going to show you all my secret flies. Not really. So let's see what we got inside. First thing you'll notice is that I've got these inexpensive Plano boxes, and they actually hold quite a few flies, and they fit perfectly in the GoBox. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one skinny one. And like I say, they hold a ton of flies. I've got them labeled across the top, so when I open the box, I know exactly what I'm grabbing. And yeah. There's a lot of flies in there, in each one. Over here, I've got multiple spools of tippet, plenty of room for the big spools. Pocket knife. The trusty GoPro, got to keep that handy. Then I've got extra batteries for my real camera, which is actually right in here. So plenty of room for a camera with the big lens on it. And it's not even jam-packed right now. So there's my headlamp, pair of extra polarized glasses, in case I forget mine or one of my clients forgets theirs. An extra pair of old man glasses. I usually have these around my neck or in my pocket, but I always like to have an extra pair in case I lose them. The floaty GoPro handle, slap that on there, get those underwater shots. And then I've got my little Osmo Pocket gimbal camera. That thing takes some really great stabilized shots and doesn't take up much room. All right, so then we're gonna go over to the zipper compartments in the top of the bag. I don't have anything in here right now, but this is a good place to put paperwork and stuff. Sometimes I'll have the Texas Parks and Wildlife regs in here in case somebody wants to keep some fish. Then this pocket got all kinds of miscellaneous tools, thermometer, a couple of pairs of hemostats, then my clippers. I usually pull those out and just put them around my neck at the beginning of the day. Then this other pocket, great place for extra leaders and spools of tippet material. So as you can see, I don't have the box just jam-packed, but it holds a ton of stuff. Totally waterproof, you can stand on it, and yeah, it's awesome. Don't leave home without it. Now this is my freshwater kit. I actually have another GoBox with just my saltwater stuff in it. A little bit different, obviously different flies, a little bit different tippet, but for the most part, the same stuff. I just like having two boxes so I don't have to take gear out of one box, put it in the other box, and then maybe forget something, and then I'm out on the water and I'm like, oh man, I don't have that one box of flies. So I like to have two separate kits, except for my camera gear. Obviously I don't have several, I got several cameras, but my main camera, I switch that back and forth from one box to the other. But yeah, that's how I pack my GoBox. Thanks for watching. Good luck on the water.